In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Google Tasks. This can be particularly useful if you find yourself not using the feature and prefer a cleaner interface, or simply wish to streamline your digital workspace. The process is straightforward and should take no more than 5 minutes of your time. So let's get started. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to Google's homepage. This can be done by typing www.google.com into your browser's address bar. Upon reaching the home page, you should see a Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed to the next step. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll be directed to the Google login page. Here you'll need to enter your email address associated with your Google account. Make sure to input this information carefully to avoid any typos that could delay the process. After entering your email, click on the Next button to move forward. Following your email entry, you'll be prompted to enter your password. The importance of entering your password correctly cannot be overstated, as this is what secures your account from unwanted access. If you've forgotten your password, there's a handy Forgot Password link that can assist you in recovering it. Once you've entered your password, once again click on the Next button to continue. Having successfully logged in, your next step is to access Gmail, as this is where the Google Tasks feature is located. To do this, find the Gmail option on the Google homepage, or simply type mail.google.com into your browser's address bar. This will take you directly to your inbox. Within your inbox, look towards the right sidebar. Here you'll notice various icons, one of which is the Google Tasks icon characterized by a blue check mark. Clicking on this icon will reveal the Google Tasks interface. This area of your Gmail allows you to view, edit, and manage your tasks. The next step involves a bit of tidying up. To effectively disable Google Tasks from showing as an active feature in your Gmail, it's best to clear out any existing tasks. You can do this by marking all tasks as completed. If you currently don't have any tasks listed, then you're already a step ahead. Marking tasks as completed is quite simple. Each task will have a circle next to it which, when clicked, marks the task as completed. This action moves the task out of your active list. Once all tasks are marked as completed, you've essentially disabled the active component of Google Tasks, leading to a less cluttered Gmail interface. Now, it's essential to note that while these steps don't remove the Google Tasks feature entirely from Gmail, they do help manage its visibility and ensure it doesn't add unwanted clutter to your digital workspace. In the future, should you wish to utilize Google Tasks, simply clicking on the Tasks icon will reactivate your ability to add and manage new tasks. In summary, managing the visibility of Google Tasks in Gmail is a quick and straightforward process. It involves signing in to your Google account, navigating to Gmail, accessing the Tasks feature, and clearing any active tasks. This simple cleanup can enhance your Gmail experience by reducing on-screen clutter and streamlining your workflow. I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, the key to a productive digital workspace is making it work for you. By customizing features like Google Tasks according to your preferences, you can create an online environment that best supports your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps anytime you feel the need to adjust your Gmail interface. Happy organizing.